3, 2, 1. Arguing again, arguing about something so simple. Make it clear, tell me why you're running back to him. Feeling insecure, feeling like there's more to your character. Every tear that you cry is worth it in the end. But baby, tell me, how have you not figured it out? Ooh, dry your eyes. The world can always give you reasons to cry. But understand, you're stronger than you know. There's power in your bones. The flowers that you've grown were watered by your tears. You say you're growing old, one day you're gonna fold. Amazing how you go unbothered through the years. But if you just let go and fall into the garden that you grew, you would finally know that you don't have to be somebody new. So you finally run, running far away from your history. But there's clouds over your head every time, and they keep following you with no clue of what to do. I can make them vanish if you let me shine. You like to put somebody else's happiness before your own. I see the weight of Atlas on your shoulder, weighs a ton. I'm trying to be the ball and light and energy for you to grow. You see, you're just a flower who has never seen the sun. You're stronger than you know. There's power in your bones. The flowers that you've grown were watered by your tears. You say you're growing old, one day you're gonna fold. Amazing how you go unbothered through the years. But if you just let go and fall into the garden that you grew, you would finally know that you don't have to be somebody new. And this is only fair, now go ahead and let your hair down. Place some flowers under your hair. You don't have to care about anything you used to care about. When you wanna smile, I'll be there.
Hey guys, today I'll be trying to make corn dog that I saw on YouTube a while ago. Here's me boiling water. While we wait for the water to boil, I'm going to peel off 4 pieces of potatoes since I'm just going to make 1 piece of corn dog. Here's me slicing the potato without a chopping board, and my brother in the background is literally complaining. Now that the water is boiling, we're going to add the potatoes. And here's me separating the hot dog from the bun. Now we're going to add salt and pepper to our potato and going to crush them until they are mashed. Now I'm going to spread the potato on the flat plate. Here's me covering the hot dog with potato. Now I'm dipping it in egg. And for the last layer, we're going to cover it with breadcrumbs. Lots of breadcrumbs. And now we're going to fry it. And it's done. I'm so happy with the corn dog that I made. It was so delicious.